The importance of article writing in marketing is significant for several reasons. 1. Communication and brand promotion. Strong writing skills are essential for effective communication with colleagues, employees, and customers. Well-crafted articles can be used to promote and build a brand's reputation, engage with the target audience, and convey valuable information about products or services. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. Writing articles with relevant and optimized content is crucial for improving a website's search engine ranking and attracting organic traffic. This is an important aspect of digital marketing strategies. 3. Thought leadership and expertise. Well-written articles can position individuals and businesses as thought leaders in their respective industries. By sharing valuable insights and knowledge through articles, they can establish credibility and expertise, which can positively impact their marketing efforts. 4. Content marketing. Articles play a vital role in content marketing strategies. They can be used to create evergreen content that produces lasting results for businesses, contributing to brand visibility and customer engagement. 5. Innovation and commercialization. Marketing articles are crucial for connecting the right customers to the right products. They help sales teams and other stakeholders think from an outside-in perspective, which is essential for successful commercialization and innovation in a competitive marketplace. Article writing is integral to marketing as it facilitates effective communication, brand promotion, SEO, thought leadership, content marketing, and the successful commercialization of products and services. To get the best craft compelling and engaging article service for your content needs, click on the link in description.